I was scammed. I bought this 1973 VW Beetle, and there have been countless issues with this car.
Day one and things were already falling apart. The door wouldn't shut and the brakes were dead. I had to push it across the road and my friend just filmed while this was happening.
Just hold the front in case. What? I'm getting. I'm gonna go flat into the.
And those should have been enough of a red flag, but I ignored it and pushed on. And when we got the engine started, I thought, epic, we've got a good car. But spoiler alert, I didn't, and I celebrated way too early.
Is that a bad sign?
No.
Come on!
Once we stripped the engine, it turned out that the engine block had serious damage. So it had to be sent off to Pretoria to be line bored and had to replace the crankshaft entirely. The cylinder heads cracked, so they had to go to an engineer in Durban. But fast forward to now, the engine is nearly done and we should have it back together up and running in the coming weeks. Next up, the body. It was an absolute mess and it wasn't even possible that we could repair it. So I had to source a completely new shell so that we can move this project forward. And it went over to the guys at VW Motorsport where they are making huge progress and we are close to painting this epic car. But there's still one issue I need to solve for the interior.
The issue with these classic cars like my 1973 VW Beetle is the amount of road noise that you get, or the rattling if you plan to put a sound system like I do. But these guys have got a solution.
So we got a solution for you. The sound deadening pads, there's a green and a red. No difference in them. It's just our Christmas colors. It's a 2mm thick by 500 wide by 800 long. That's going to sort out your problem, and this goes for 250 Rand each.
So we are well on our way to completing this build and all will be revealed at the build off at the Gas Motor Show 2025. See you there in a couple weeks time.